it like if you're investing time, there should be some result. That's my perception. That's what I look. You want to invest time and you want to come out with a good out. So what I discussed, those 3 points, are something which we want to try to push them to the next level. But keeping that aside, whatever we are investing the time or effort, they're going to learn a lot of skills. First thing which I realized is writing skills. The last project that we have done, the entire skit was written by my son. He had to revise the skit at least 5 times. Not even 5 times. He used to sometimes bad days where he had to rewrite, a lot of arguments in the team. They didn't like it. Why they didn't like it? Why the punctuations were bad? Why was the skit? There was no connecting hook between the story. So, those kind of things they're going to learn a lot. Second thing, the painting skills. The kids who have painting skills, they develop those a lot because there's not small props they have to make. They're going to make huge props for the story.
Right.
Huge props. So that's the second thing they're going to learn. Third thing, lot of if they are making structure, because I worked on structure, I want to say they learned a lot of mathematics. They learned what is a ratio, how to calculate a ratio, how is weight related to the structure, what is a weight, why does something float on the water. So for them to understand, we had to do some small experiments at home, and then we had to explain the whole concept to them. So keeping the winning aspect away, they're going to learn a lot of science things in it. So that's a lot of huge commitment, which makes us feel like, okay, they learned something. And at the end of the project, we feel like their teamwork has improved a lot. They know our order. If they are given a challenge, they know they cannot argue or fight. They start okay, now we have some problem that we need to discuss. Okay, we have to go with the brainstorm order. So once they have started coaching, we teach them what's a brainstorm order, and why is it important to do. So I felt like those kind of things, coming up with the teamwork, rather than talking 2 persons, 3 persons talking at the same time, coming up with a brainstorm order or listening to the other friends, that's a very good thing which they learn with the team activities. So these were the few points that I felt like it was helpful, more than the going to the regionals or states.
No, everything is good.
Yeah, I think it's overall a great program.
Yes.
Very complete.
Very complete. Navya, you have any comments about the challenge or any?
I have no idea about this challenge, so I'm just hearing for the first time.
And I should say that the kind of knowledge she is having, I would have been happy if you could have be coach for my daughter.
I was just thinking the same thing. I was like, oh my god, this would have been perfect for her.
Yeah, because my daughter is in 4th grade and mine is in 5th.
Yeah.
So we were talking last week. I'm still looking for a team for Priyo,
So no more 4th graders or 5th graders. I really enjoy working with the little kids. So this time when she said about Banu, I said I want to do with their team.
But did you think any problem for these kids? Did you think about any problem that you think?
No, I thought, it's best if, you show them the problems and then, have them.
Yeah.
Because, like she said, it's important that you
they need to understand.
their strengths
But the problem
also.
is that we need to register